Hi, good day everyone. I am Eman and now I am going to demonstrate on how to install a faucet. But before anything else, let's all gather the materials that are needed in installing a faucet. So I have here a faucet, a teflon, elbow, male threaded coupling, and two pieces of polyvinyl chloride or PVC. So now, let us start installing a faucet. So as if that this is the water source and I installed another fittings here which is a T in order to create another line of the water source or water system. So this is the one PVC and I will install it here. Then to install a faucet, I need another angle. So I will use an elbow, a 45-degree angle. So I will put it here. So I have this small cut of PVC. So I will install it here. Then after that, I will use this double um, the double coupling, which is the plain and the threaded. So I will put the plain here, then the threaded one is for the faucet. So to avoid leakage, let us apply a teflon. So like this. Then after applying a teflon, install it here on a threaded coupling. Twist until it will lock all ready. So it is already locked. So this is how are we going to install the faucet. So that is the process on how to install a faucet. So um, thank you for watching and listening, and that is for today's tutorial on how to install a faucet.